Lesson 1: Health, Safety, and IT Hazards. Welcome to your first lesson on IT fundamentals. Before you ever open a computer case, you need to understand health and safety. A serious risk to internal hardware is electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Even if ESD does not destroy a component instantly, it can cause latent damage that leads to intermittent faults and expensive repairs later on. To reduce this risk, always wear an anti-static wrist strap connected to a grounded point, which equalizes the potential between you and the equipment. Why do employers invest in anti-static mats and straps? Simply put, the implementation costs of these tools are usually much lower than the costs of replacing damaged electronic components, paying for data recovery, or managing workplace injuries. Speaking of injuries, physical hazards are just as important. For example, trailing power or network cables across a walkway creates a classic tripping hazard that can cause physical injury or pull equipment off benches. You must also use proper technique when lifting heavy objects, like a UPS, to avoid human musculoskeletal injuries. Always pay attention to safety signs. A high voltage symbol warns of the risk of electrocution or electric shock, while a no food or drink sign prevents spills that can damage hardware and create electrical risks. When you are ready to open a desktop case to replace RAM, you must follow the correct sequence. Shut down the computer, unplug the power cable, ground yourself, and only then open the case. Make sure to use the correct screwdrivers and keep a clean, organized workspace. Finally, before making any major changes like a hard disk replacement, always create a verified backup of your important data to protect against data loss.